Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today we're going to tell you all about a new show that's coming up with us. No, that's wrong. Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today Karen and I are going to tell you all about a new show that's coming up.
Okay, go on, I'll remember. I can't pee myself.
Oh God.
Oh, do it, Al. Do it. Yeah. No, not at all.
Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios.
It's gonna be me. Let me do the low then, and then you can do all the craft clinic stuff.
Go on then.
Right.
You do it all.
Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. You've got me and Al today, and we're here to tell you all about an amazing show. Consummate professional, me.
Oh, there we go.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.